Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I am going to do a little bit of cooking show. I know the last time that I uploaded a cooking show, it's like a miniature cooking and it's not even the real food, it's like the candy version of the food. But anyway, in today's video, we are going to make McDonald's McNuggets. I just saw this a YouTube video that contains the recipe and tutorial on how to make it, and so I thought maybe I should give it a try because I love McNuggets so much. So maybe I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to cook it and let's see if the result is going to be great. Alright, so I have all the ingredients for the first paste. So the first part is actually to make a paste of the chicken with all the seasoning. So here are all the seasoning after I mix them all, and then here are all the chicken. So I'm going to put them into like a chopper. Okay, so all the ingredients are here in the chopper. Now let's blend them all. Okay, so the mixture has been a paste, so I'm going to shape it and then put it in the freezer for probably 15 minutes. Alright, so I've shaped them and now it's time to just put it in the freezer. Okay, sorry, I'm like using everything with one hand, so it's a bit difficult. Okay, let's just put it in the freezer and we're gonna leave it for 15 minutes.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so it has been 15 minutes, so I'm just going to fry it. I have actually made a previous batch, but the previous batch was wrong, so I'm going to show you the correct one. So you just take one of the nugget piece and then you dip it to the dry one, like so. Dip it to the wet one and then put it into the frying pan. So yeah, that's exactly how to do it. I'm going to just finish the rest and I will film it again after everything is done fried. Hi everyone, so everything is done. So I have the whole set. So this is like how the set would be when you are eating at McDonald's. So I'm like recreating everything. So we have also the Coke here, and then we have the French fries, and then the nugget is there. So yeah, and so I haven't actually tried it. I literally just fry it and then it just came out from the fryer. And so yeah, we're going to try how does it going to taste like. I'm so nervous actually. Because you know, like I have spent so much money on making this. It's actually more expensive than buying it from McDonald's. So yeah, we're just going to try it out. Honestly, right off the bat, it really looks like McDonald's McNuggets, you know, like take a look at that. Yeah, you see that? So yeah, I have high hopes. So let's just try it out. I think it's a little hot. Okay. Oh, I just ate the outer layer only. I didn't eat the meat. Let's give it another bite. Honestly, not gonna lie, it probably tastes like 95% like the McNuggets. Like it's very similar, but I can still taste a little bit of something like a difference. And this is how it looks like, the inside. See, even the inside looks just like McNuggets. By the way guys, I'm so sorry, like the background there's because you know the family who has this house, they have kids, so that's why there are a lot of like kid stuff behind me. And then yeah, I'm just going to try again. You know what, the more I bite, I feel like the more it tastes like the McNuggets. Like, I'm not sure if this is like bias or something, but yeah, it tastes like McNuggets. Even the texture is also like McNuggets. Like, if you guys know, McNuggets usually the inside is pretty dry, the outside is pretty soft. I don't know, I think it's supposed to be crunchy, but then again, sometimes, you know, they kind of fry it and then leave it for a few moments. So that's why when it arrives to your table, it's kind of soft. But this is super crunchy and super hard because I literally just fry it out. Oh, sorry, excuse me, I need to drink. Okay, not gonna lie, when I was cooking just now, I didn't drink anything. So that's why I feel so thirsty. So yeah, this is pretty interesting. I'm going to finish my dinner. I'm so pretty happy about it. I'm glad that it worked out. I'm glad that it literally tastes like the McNuggets. So yeah, if you guys wanted to like try out the recipe that I was inspired with, just click on the link down below, and if not, you can also view this video and follow it. I also will put all the ingredients and how to do it in the description box below as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you can try it out and see for yourself, and let me know in the comments down below how's the result for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.